Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Cat S53 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's enter the phone dialer, tap on the keypad, and then let's enter the first code, which is *06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both the main numbers and also a serial number of this device. Let me show you another code which will open the calendar info, and the code is *##225#*##. And as I said, we're in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and then let's enter another code for the diagnostic information or the diagnostic mode. It is *##426#*##. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected, or signal level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on the status again, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing menu. It is *##4636#*##. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So for example, let me show you the Wi-Fi information. We can check the status, maybe. We can refresh the stats, and here we've got something like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let's go back, the usage statistics. Here we've got the list of all apps and basically the processes which are currently on this device. Currently they are sorted by usage time, but of course you can change it to last time use or app name. So as you can see right now, they are listed alphabetically. Or the phone information. We can check the email number, the phone number, car network, data service, or data network type. Of course, I do not have any information because I do not have my SIM inserted. We can run ping test here also. And on the three dots, under the three dots icon, we've got the option to enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Cat S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.